So I got this beautiful picture of Molly going around the right barrel, and I absolutely hate it. We have to get rid of these little red dots. I've shown you how to do that in previous videos, but we're going to take this up a notch even further to make this better. So let's first of all, let's get rid of these things. We click on this right here. I don't know what button that is, and we go to the band-aid, and this will just select different parts to pull the image from to replace. Alright, so there we go. That's now all nice and said and done. I actually did a horrible job, but that's okay. But now we're going to take it a step further. Using Lightroom and Lightroom's AI, we are going to go over to this little circular thing and click on sky, right? And now you see it highlights the sky. We're going to take that and lower down the exposure to get rid of all that noise and get rid of that light and the light pole and all of that fun stuff. Watch this magic. And of course, while doing this, Molly pops out even further and stands out, and that's what you want your picture to be. I'm sure there's other ways we can go about this. And see the highlight button. Yeah, the highlight button does a little help too. We don't want to go all the way. Let's see shadows. What does shadows do? Not much, but we're going to leave it at that. Here's Molly's finished picture. I absolutely love this. Lightroom AI makes the pictures 1,000% better.